Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something huge for all the Apple fans, creators, and tech lovers out there, the all-new Mac Mini M5. If you're a coder, designer, or anyone who loves powerful compact machines, this might just be your perfect 2025 desktop. In this video, we're unpacking everything you need to know, from jaw-dropping specs and standout features to its release timeline and pricing. So let's jump right in. Introduction: the Mac Mini M5 is Apple's boldest leap yet in the compact desktop game. Powered by the next-gen M5 chip, built on a super-efficient 3nm process, this isn't just your average home setup. It's a mini powerhouse ready to tackle professional workflows. Specs highlight processors M5 and the ultra-powerful M5 Pro options. Architecture: Apple's new 3nm chiplet-based SoIC design for crazy performance and better heat control. CPU up to 12 high performance and 6 efficiency cores. Graphics from 10 to a mind-blowing 40-core GPU setup. Neural engine: 32 or 64 core for next-level AI. Tasks: memory starts at 18 GB, scales to an insane 128 GB of LPDDR5X RAM. Storage: blazing fast SSDs up to 7.5 GB per second, from 512 GB to a massive 8 TB. Connectivity: Thunderbolt 5, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and optional 10 gigabits Ethernet. Display support: up to 3 external 6K monitors. Ports: 4 Thunderbolt 5, HDMI 2.2, 2 USB-A, Ethernet, headphone jack. Software ships with macOS Sequoia and built-in Apple Intelligence features. Point 10 amazing features, unmatched M5 chip performance. 3nm technology delivers faster speeds, better graphics and battery efficiency. AI ready runs TensorFlow, CoreML, and PyTorch seamlessly for developers and AI enthusiasts. Next-level chiplet design: advanced SoIC tech boosts thermal efficiency and modular scaling. Memory to the max: up to 128 GB of unified RAM for creative pros and power users. Lightning fast storage: SSD speeds up to 7.5 GB. Apps and files load almost instantly. Future-proof connectivity: Thunderbolt 5 and Wi-Fi 7 keep your setup ready for tomorrow's tech. Silent performer: desktop-class power without the noise. Classic Apple minimalism. macOS Sequoia plus Apple Intelligence. AI-powered tools like smart summaries and image generation built right in. Triple 6K display support: perfect for pros juggling video edits, coding, and creative multitasking. Optimized for creative work. Crushes workflows in Final Cut Pro, Xcode, metal rendering, and AI model training. Release date: expect an official unveiling during Apple's October 2025 event, with pre-orders likely opening right after. Shipping is expected from late October into early November. Expected pricing: model chip memory storage price, EST. Base model M5 18 GB, 512 GB, around $799. Mid-tier M5 Pro 36 GB, 1 TB, $1,299. $1 for $99. So there you have it. The Mac Mini M5 is shaping up to be Apple's most powerful compact desktop ever, packing serious AI performance, future-proof ports, and all the power creative pros and tech geeks could want. If you're hyped about this tiny powerhouse, smash that like button and tell us in the comments which feature blew your mind the most. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss our hands-on reviews and benchmarks coming soon.